Russian track and field athletes may not be allowed to compete in this summer's Olympics. The team was sanctioned last fall after the World Anti-Doping Agency, or WADA, found evidence of systemic use of performance-enhancing drugs. Well, in a 60 Minutes investigation, Armen Keteyian reports that the whistleblowers who first uncovered the cheating have found that 4 gold medals from the 2014 Winter Games were won by Russians on steroids.
When it came to doping in Russia, nobody was more powerful than Grigory Rodchenkov. He ran its drug testing lab and had the ability to make positive drug tests disappear. The WADA report called him the heart of Russian doping. In the wake of the scandal, Rodchenkov was fired by the Kremlin and has since taken refuge in the U.S. for fear of his own safety because of how much he knows. Over the last few months, Rodchenkov has been sharing what he knows with Vitaly Stepanov. What he doesn't know is that Stepanov has recorded 15 hours of their conversations. What Rodchenkov has revealed threatens the credibility of the results at the 2014 Winter Games in Sochi, Russia.
He told me what I and Yulia did. We could only see this much. But what was happening with cover-ups, it's like this.
Rodchenkov, who ran the drug testing lab in Sochi, bragged he was in possession of what he called the Sochi list, the Russians who competed dirty at the Games. He also said the Russian equivalent of the FBI, the FSB, was directly involved.
What did he tell you about the FSB, the Russian intelligence officers, and the Sochi lab?
That some FSB agents worked as doping control officers during the Sochi Games, that FSB tried to control every single step of the anti-doping process in Sochi.
You can see Armen's investigation this Sunday on 60 Minutes.